Let us understand the rotational symmetry in various digits. So first we begin with the digit 0. If I put 0 here like this and rotate it like this, you can see 0 is looking same. So 0 is showing rotational symmetry. If I take the digit 1 and find out whether it is showing rotational symmetry or not, if I rotate it and give it a half turn, it is not looking same. Okay. But if I take this one and now I rotate it, so this one will look same. So this one shows rotational symmetry. Now let's take the digit 2, rotate it and find out. You can see 2 is looking like upside down, so it is not showing rotational symmetry. Let's take digit 3 and rotate it. Oh, 3 is also not looking the same. So that means it is also not showing rotational symmetry. Though it was showing reflectional symmetry, but it is not showing rotational symmetry. Let's take digit 4 and rotate it. See, again digit 4 is not showing rotational symmetry because it is looking upside down. Let us take the digit 5 and again, since it was already not showing reflectional symmetry, but it is also not showing rotational symmetry as well. Let's take digit 6. Let's rotate it. Oh, digit 6 is looking like 9. It is not looking same. So it is not showing rotational symmetry. Again, let's rotate it. Again, it is upside down. So digit 7 is also not showing rotational symmetry. Let's take digit 8. Let's rotate it and give it a half turn. Again, it is showing rotational symmetry. It shows reflectional symmetry also and rotational symmetry also. Digit 9. And let's rotate it. Oh, 9 has become 6. 6 became 9 and 9 has become 6. So, but they both are not showing rotational symmetry. Write the numbers using those digits, then they will also show rotational symmetry or not. Let us find out. So let me begin with the smallest number possible using those digits. So this is 11. If I rotate it, first number was 10, 1, 0. But if I rotate it, it will become 0, 1. So I have taken 11. Okay, so let me rotate it. This is showing 11 only. So this is possible because both the digits are same. Now if I take 33, you remember 3 was not showing rotational symmetry. Let's find out if 33 shows. So 33 is not showing rotational symmetry. Let's take 99. Let's rotate it. This has become 66. So again it is not possible with this. What if I take 8 and 8, because 8 was showing rotational symmetry, so I can take 8 and 8, and if I rotate it, it will be same, 88. So 88 is showing rotational symmetry. So if I begin with 4-digit number, suppose I am taking 4-digit number, this is 8118. What is most interesting thing, that it is beginning with 8, ending with 8. So if it will come here, the beginning will be from 8 only and the ending will be from 8 only. In between there are 2 digits, 11, 1, 1. So 1 is also the same, 1 will also look the same, so the number will also look the same. See, 8018 again. So 8018 is showing rotational symmetry. Let us take 8008. Again, it is beginning with 8, ending with 8, and in between, in the middle, there are 2 zeros which are symmetrical. They are also same. So in 8008, again both are same. It is showing rotational symmetry. If I take 8888, most simplest one. All the digits are same, so if I rotate them, the number is also the same. Take 1111 and then they will also look the same. What about this? This is 1881. If I rotate it like this, again we are getting 1881. So these numbers are showing rotational symmetry.